Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you guys I made this cute mini tote bag. Like I absolutely I'm obsessed with this bag. So I made this from a leftover project. So this is actually what I had left from the tutorial where I created corsets from old jeans. So this is what was left. This is a bum shot that was left from it. So I'm just going to get right into it. So first, I just want the alignment to be proper. So that's why I'm using this clip to hold it at the waist so that there won't be any kind of irregularities in the measurement and cutting. So this is a very straightforward tutorial. I'm just going to first of all pin it down so that the back fabric and the front fabric will stay flat while I'm measuring and cutting. So I'm just going to take in 1 inch from the bed hole because I really want this bag to be mini, like small, because I know whenever I want to make a mini bag, I end up making something big. So this time I had to restrain myself. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm talking about, but I made up my mind that it's going to be a mini bag. So I'm just going to add an additional half an inch. This will be the sewing allowance. So what I'm measuring altogether will be 1.5 inch from the bed O. So that way half inch will be taken in by time I sew. So I'm just going to roll it down straight on with a straight line. So you can use a ruler. So I'm just using this to rule because it's straight. And of course, I'm going to remove this small inner pocket because it's not needed. So if you notice, the top is 9 inch while the down is 13 inch, which is okay because your jeans usually don't come in straight because it's actually a jean trouser. So definitely, no matter how straight you roll, it's going to come out like this, which is part of the beauty of this bag, the top part being smaller than the down parts. So this is me cutting it, and then I'm going to cut the other side. But before I cut this one through, I discovered there's a label of this, and I find it cute, so I decided to remove it and attach it to the back. So next I'm just going to make this down part a bit straight. So I'm just going to roll and cut. Next, I'm just going to create a box shape at the down, 1.5 inch in width and in length. So this is me creating that box. So I'm going to do it for both sides, of course, and then I'm going to cut it out. So this is it after cutting. This is what actually going to form the shape of the bag at the down. So before then, I previously removed the pocket from the back side before cutting, of course, and then I'm going to attach one pocket back in a slant form. So the label I removed, I'm going to place it here. All this detailing just make it beautiful, unique, something that is just you and you can't find anywhere else. So now I'm just going to sew the sides down to that shape there. So I'll also sew the down part and then fold the sides like this and sew. So this will form the shape of the bag after sewing. So this is it. And you can decide to use bias to cover the raw edges on the inside, but I don't think it's necessary because this is jean fabric, it does not fray. Now to create the strap for this bag, I'm just going to use the band that is left to create a strap. So I'm going to attach the band to the fabric I just cut, and then I'm going to also attach the down part. This is because I want to cut the middle of where the original band is, because it will give it this whole unique look because of the fabric there is the same, to be the same at the down. Remember, little details goes a long way to make your bag unique. So that's why I went through all this process. So I just sew and then left the middle for turning over. So that's what I did. But it was a bit hard for me to turn this over. I won't advise you to do it this way. Although if you want you can, but it's a lot of work. But I just advise you to just take the fabric the way I'm showing it like this, and then just fold it and stop stitch round. That's the easiest way you can do this, instead of going through the process of sewing, turning over, and then stop stitching, if you know what I mean. So this is it after stop stitching. So the length I use is 13 inch. So now it's time to attach the band. I'm just going to place it just at the edge of the strap, and then do the same for the back part. So this is it. And then I'm just going to bend this middle part and then give the strap a bit of firmness. Next, I decided to attach this invisible lock. I don't know what it's called in your side, but this is what the vendor told me it's called, invisible lock. So it's very perfect for bag making like this. So this will also add to the shape of the bag by the time you put something inside it. Now the bag is ready. I'm just going to put in some stuff and go out. So the front pocket, you can actually put your pen or maybe cash or coin, and then the back pocket can actually hold your phone, and it's good to go. So you see the way the lock is holding it perfectly. And you can attach strap to the belt hole if you want to carry it with strap. And lovelies, please don't forget to like, share, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe before you leave, and leave me a comment down below. I would like to hear from you. Take care till my next video. Bye for now.